Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. Are you hungry for some ice cream soup? This book is so fun. First off, it is ready to read step one. So it says for preschool to kindergarten. My son is first grade and he reads this book pretty fluidly. So that is awesome. He really loves to read it to his sister who is almost in kindergarten. She can actually pick out some of the words too, and she is learning to read as well. So not only is it quality time with brother and sister, but it is also learning time, which is definitely a win-win. So I really love this book a lot, and we're going to keep reading it. I would definitely recommend this book. I really love reading it with my kids. It's a beginner reader, so it has a lot of sight words in there, so you can have them highlight the sight words, practice reading with it. I do that with my students. I do that with my children. We love this book, and we love ice cream, so books and ice cream go really good together. So I'm going to keep reading this book with my kids and having a good time, and that's my point of view.